AI automation has definitely become a buzzword in the last few years. It's popped up even more ever since the advent of ChatGPT and the whole generative AI boom of last year. So of course, with each new year, this capability of AI is going to grow crazier. It's no wonder people are beginning to feel like this weight of AI. And the wonderment is always, will AI replace our jobs? How is AI going to replace our jobs? And so on and so on. Now, there are definitely two arguments on the side, with some believing AI will replace jobs far faster than we imagine, and then there's others that believe that instead of replacing them, they're going to augment them. So I personally believe that it's going to be a mix of both, but one thing to take note of is that AI will definitely not be replacing jobs that require the following skills anytime soon. So these are jobs that require human judgment and decision-making, jobs that require complex and more nuanced communication, and then there's some jobs that require social and emotional intelligence, jobs that require creativity and innovation, and jobs that require physical mobility and dexterity. So all of these 5 key skill sets that or things that involve these sort of skills, probably jobs that like that won't get replaced too fast. But with that being said, what are the key sectors or jobs to take note of then that AI may not replace quite easily? Keep in mind, some of these may change as time passes, but we'll go through some 10 jobs that AI may not replace anytime soon. But before I do that, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and join us on the journey to learn the building blocks of AI. So the first one is probably agriculture and food security. So in a 2023 report by World Economic Forum, they forecasted that there would be a 30% increase in agricultural job opportunities over the next 5 years, adding around 3 million positions. So one of the main reasons for this is because with the current trend of generative AI and large language models, this is doing a lot of heavy lifting for many workers, but the agricultural sector itself isn't really impacted by this. So factors such as shorter supply chains, smaller farms selling directly to consumers, and like the rising adoption of like different technologies actually contributes to the sector instead of take away from it. And of course, AI technology will definitely help farmers and people in the agricultural sector, but I don't think it's going to replace it completely. If anything, it'll just enhance the productivity. And then number 2 is AI and machine learning specialists. This is no surprise. In fact, in the past years, there have been about 49% net growth in these types of jobs, and it's not surprising that these won't be replaceable anytime soon, as these roles are very crucial in developing and implementing AI solutions. So their expertise in machine learning and AI is not something you can really automate fully. And it requires ongoing innovation, problem solving, and just really understanding AI as a whole. And even if it's not super technical, roles that require knowledge of AI, whether you're an AI consultant or an expert, these may definitely not be included in the category of being replaced, because as more AI develops, there's going to always be a demand for people that can kind of educate or help others understand how to leverage AI. Third on the list is analysts. While AI does a great job in streamlining data analysis work in general, as of right now, I don't think analysts will be replaced quite yet, because a good analyst, you need to go through the data, interpret it, and derive insights from that said data to make an actual business decision. So AI may be able to do the actual analysis work, but the ability to draw insights from data and understand that in the context of the specific person or business, that's what AI won't be able to replace so easily. Next on the list is business development professional. Any role that requires like some sort of human touch, such as sales or business development, is going to be a bit harder to replace, because, well, as much as AI can develop and generate a lot of cool things, I don't think it's going to be able to replace that exact human touch quite yet. Maybe in the long future, but in the near future, no. Because these roles also involve more strategic planning. You also need to do market analysis and relationship building. And this is not something that can easily done by AI, especially the latter. Whether it comes to negotiation, emotional intelligence, all of these things you need to do, a human does best. And while AI can give suggestions and recommendations and support, I don't think it can replace it fully as of right now. And then there is the next on the list, which is project management, which involves a lot of coordination, leadership, problem-solving skills. So for a lot of team dynamics, right? So there are a lot of AI tools for project managers that you can help you optimize your workflow. But when it comes to actually dealing with the people part, you can't just get AI to manage everybody without fault. Then the 6th on this list is human resources specialist. So these roles do involve managing employee relations, understanding workplace dynamic, and overall just making nuanced judgments on people, right? So this is why, once again, AI won't be able to fully replace it quite yet. AI tools will definitely help with HR day-to-day processes and workflows, but from analyzing, whether it's analyzing employee turnover rates and stuff, and dealing with documentation. But when it comes to the reality of dealing with the people, I feel like these specialists will still be needed for the near future at least. Then on the list is general and operations managers. So overall, just managers and leaders. So leadership roles aren't just about directing people and managing them. It involves understanding and interacting with these people. So these positions will require some overseeing daily operations, looking at and communicating with the different people, and then really being able to make more analytical decision making. So AI will definitely be able to support this, and it will definitely be able to provide suggestions, advice, and it'll take off the workload of administrative tasks that come with every leader or manager. But in terms of the dealing with the people, making the hard decisions, these are things that managers and leaders will need to be able to do with their own brains. So I don't think AI will replace this anytime soon. And then the next on the list is educational and training professionals. So overall, if you want to be a great education and training professional, you need to have that human touch. Yeah, you can have generative AI that can create avatars on your behalf. You can put AI voiceovers onto these avatars and then try to get them to teach. But at the end of the day, to really be a great teacher or a great training professional, you need to have some level of human touch, whether that be interacting with the comments and the students in general, or being able to teach things in the way that people can really digest easily. So as of right now, it may not be a profession that people can be replaced quite easily. And then there's therapists, counselors, and psychologists. So we definitely see it year on year. More people are feeling depressed, as more than 1 in 6 adults in the US at least have reported having depression. This has worsened after the pandemic, but as the age of AI emerges, it's due to whether it's unemployment or feeling lost in life. We all need someone to express ourselves to, right? And so this is where therapists and counselors and psychologists are going to come in and play a huge part in the near future. This field does demand a lot of empathy, and you need to really understand human emotions and behaviors and be able to establish trust with people. So all of this is very deeply human. So AI won't be able to completely replace this. It can give the counselor, the therapist, or psychologist some suggestions on how to talk to this person or what things to say, but it won't completely feel the same as talking and connecting with another human being. So for now, I don't think AI will be able to replace it. It may be able to replicate human conversation and tone digitally, but I think we're still a few years away until these jobs are taken over. And then finally on this list is artists and athletes. Yep, in the past year, generative AI has astounded a lot of people with stories on AI music taking over, such as the viral hit of Drake and Weeknd's Hard on My Sleeve song. And then there's also the case of the popular Latin artist Bad Bunny getting his AI-generated song and him complaining about it. So there's definitely no doubt that AI is going to raise issues for artists moving forward, but to completely replace the creativity behind the art is something we still don't see really happening yet. Yeah, and this is even more so true for athletes, as with athletes, they involve physical movement. So unless they replace every single athlete out there with AI-generated holograms and make those holograms just kind of perform, for the most part, I don't think athletes are going to go away anytime soon. So there you have it. Take note, a lot of these roles above are growing and relatively stable right now. So there's another reason why the projection sees that these roles and sectors and jobs won't get replaced anytime soon. Once again, this isn't to say that they'll never be replaced, but it's just saying that at least in the near future, we don't see them being replaced by AI quite yet. So there's not too much to worry. One kind of trend that you may be able to notice is that a lot of these jobs and that won't be replaced so easily in the near future deal with humans and deal with being able to understand the human emotion, communication, and all of that. So if you do want to find a job that is a bit more stable, try to find jobs that involve dealing with people a bit more. Now, despite many concerns about the job displacement, AI automation ultimately is serving to provide more opportunities than not. There are some jobs that, of course, will go away and be unnecessary, but the reality of the matter is AI will actually augment the workforce more than actually take away from it. It's actually suspected that there's going to be a boom of productivity and efficiency that comes from AI instead of just doom and gloom. And as certain tasks become automated, there's always going to be new roles and industries that will emerge, and there's going to require some human skill, which is always difficult to replicate. So ultimately, what this video should tell you is that instead of being fearful, you should be encouraged to learn more, to upskill, to reskill, and in general embrace a mindset of adapting to what's about to come, instead of instead of being scared and apprehensive of what's to come. So if you can see in this graph here, all the various emerging skills that a person may need to consider if they want to stand the test of time exist right here, right? Now, if you found this video interesting, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And if you want to learn more about the top AI skills you need to know to be top 5% in the near future, check out the next video. Also, subscribe to this channel if you want to continue to join the journey on knowing how to navigate this new digital ocean we call AI.